These rolling hills, ancient rocks, and quiet farmlands hold stories passed from mouth to mouth, from ancestor to grandchild. They are not written first in books, they are sung in songs, hidden in the names of rivers and mountains, spoken in poems, and carried in the breath of oral history. Before the historians wrote it down, the land itself, the people, and their songs remembered. Here, history is a living thread, woven through generations. Our ancestors sang of this land, the land of spears that our king gave us. A land earned through courage, defended through sacrifice. This is not just history, it is inheritance, the legacy of the Gqeberhulu people, descendants of warriors, leaders, and cattle headers. This is their story. The Gqeberhulu trace their origins to the noble house of Zwanegamba, a powerful line whose descendants shaped clans, led migrations, and defended territory. Among these was Lindaga Mafu, remembered for his vast herds of cattle and influence. He lived just over 200 years ago. But not all Gqeberhulu descend from Linda. Others trace through his brother Mangete and through Mdolomba, son of Josho, or Bongoza Mafu. All paths converge into identity, Gqeberhulu.
Singabakwezwana thina sehla enhla ngesilugu